Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my shower routine, and I just realized that my whole flippin' forehead's out and about. Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing it's kind of like a glow up, but it's more like a shower routine or like a hair treatment routine. So if you've been following my channel for a while, or not, I don't care, you would tell that my hair used to be all brown and now it's blonde at the ends. I bleached it. That is like honestly the only way. I don't know where I'm going with this, but yeah, I bleached it, so that means that my hair took a lot of damage, which means I have to take better care of my hair. I have to have showers more often, moisturize my ends more often, make sure that they are healthy, because the bleach took a toll on it, even though we didn't have to cut any of it. My hair bleached pretty well though. Also, you know, if you're a human, you would know that yesterday was Christmas. And my cousins gave me these things. They're lifesavers, but they're gummies. Like I've seen the hard ones, and I'm like, this is decent. But these gummy ones, they are heaven. I'm disgusting. Okay, so also, comment down below if you guys. Damn, I'm still eating. Comment down below if you guys want to see me do like a kind of like review, but more of just like a face mask thing using this. I got it for Christmas, and it came with this really weird silicone applicator right there. And normally you would just get this little thing, what is the face mask itself, but you got an applicator, and normally they would just give you like a paintbrush, but this one's like a weird silicone one. Keep in mind, I got it from Dollarama, so I don't really have, like my mom bought it from Dollarama, so I don't have that high expectation. Damn, I can't English. I can't English. I don't think that it's gonna be that awesome. Expectations, that's how you say it. Yeah, I won't care if the applicator sucks. I mean, it's a face mask that I really want. It's just a plain hydrating one, like it's not that big. Also, my parents are the best parents, because if you know me, I'm obsessed with Alexander Hamilton. And look at him. Our parents got me. They printed out a photo. Well, no, they got an actual photo of Alexander Hamilton and put it into, you know, a picture frame, and gave it to me for my birthday. I love it. But yeah, comment down below if you want me to use this. So basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to like have my shower, show you what I do. I'm not going to bring my recorder into my shower because that's weird. But you know, I'm going to have my shower, tell you guys what I'm going to do in my shower. And then yeah, like I'll come out and show you what I put in my hair after I finish showering to keep it moist. Yeah, a lot of people hate the word moist, and I don't understand why. Like, could you tell me why? Because I don't understand. Anyways, let's just get right on to the video. So before I get into the shower, I need to brush my hair out. Now, this is a wet brush. My hair is not wet right now, but all I know is I found this like a while ago in my house, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's so amazing. I used to use this one. It was like recommended by by my mom. Like seriously, that's who it was recommended by. Still got it. But yeah, I found this baby and I'm in love. So yeah. So I obviously need to brush my hair out before I get in the shower so that my hair isn't super tangly, you know? Also, I keep like looking down into that, you know, painting, amazing photo frame. I don't even know what to call it. Amazingness. And I keep, yeah. So basically, I'm just brushing my hair out, and then I need to get like my towel and my pillow? Damn. I need to get my robe, my towel, and like my music, because you know, your girl sings in the shower. I ain't ashamed to say it. Like the video if you sing in the shower. Oh, we can do like one of those I tried ASMR videos. Hello. Ow. I don't know why I'm doing this. This might not even go up. Probably won't. Because I don't feel like editing. I seriously have like 15 videos like done and recorded, and I haven't got to editing them. For all you know, this could be one of those videos that it took forever for me to edit. It probably won't though. I'm probably gonna post it today. Hey! My neighbors have the exact same shirt as me. That's cool. So now that I brushed my hair out and it looks good, I'm going to get my towel, my robe, my music, and my hairbrush that's already here, but you know, I'm going to gather them all together and eat another one of these Life Saviors. Oh my god. So now I have my towel. I'm just using a green one. Plop that on my bed. I have my robe thing. Put this on because I'm a bit chilly. And I obviously have my hairbrush, my jams. Oh, and some hair. That's always awesome. I got my jams. And then I also have my Life Saviors. I am so beyond cringy. Also, the red ones are flippin' delicious. Anyways, I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Basically what I do in the shower is I get in the shower, let my hair get wet, like really nice and wet before I do anything with my hair. So, you know, a lot of singing while I'm in the shower before I start, you know, shampooing and conditioning my hair. So, obviously after I have my hair nice and wet, I like to go in with my... Pardon me, I just burped. I should have just let it go. Anyways, I go in with my shampoo by Joico. I am a fruit. And I just put it on this and the back of my head here. And like, basically my entire scalp is where I put it. Let that sit for about like a minute. Just because my hair gets really greasy really quickly, so I have to have a shower like often. So I have to let that sit for a bit, and then I rinse it out and to make sure that I have no more bubbles in your hair. By the way, you need to have bubbles in your hair. If you don't, you have to do a second layer. Not a second layer, but like another. You have to do it once more before you get bubbles. Like keep doing it until you get bubbles. Because if you don't, then you're not cleaning your hair properly. Anyways. So after that, I go in with my conditioner and I just, you know, empty the bottle and just put it all over like my ends and like the bottom of my scalp because I need it there. And like, yeah, I just cover it. And then before I rinse this off, like the conditioner, I like to go in and shave my legs, my armpits, and yeah. And then once I'm done that, it's been about like 15 minutes, and then I go in and rinse this out. Then obviously soap for my body, because, you know, your girl gotta get clean. And then after that, I stay in there for another half an hour and just jam. I have an unhealthy obsession with the shower. Like, I'm like, oh, I don't want to have a shower. I get in the shower and I live there now. That's how it works. There's no in between those things, you know? Anyways, so I'm going to go hop into the shower and I'll meet you back out when my hair is nice and clean and wet and I smell great. So... meet you there. Oh my boy. Bye. Okay, so now that I'm back with my hair, it's been all haired, I guess. I haven't done anything to my hair. All I did was, like, I haven't even dried it properly yet. I came out of the shower, like, all I did was come out of the shower, put my clothes on, and hopped into my recording room. And yeah. So I'm going to brush my hair out, dry it properly, and then I'm going to add some hair shit into it to make it, you know, moisturized and soft and amazing. Oof. I look terrible. Okay. I should probably get a towel to put on my lap so that my pants don't get soaked. So back with like a pillowcase to put on my lap so that my pants don't get soaked, because that would be terrible. I'm just going to brush it out with my wet brush because my hair is wet now. Look how fancy I am. Yeah, ow! I don't know, in the shower, I just like have this urge to cry about everything. Especially now, because something happened. But I'm not going to go into that because I don't like that type of stuff. So like, while I was in the shower, I like, you know, didn't do anything, and it was already like half an hour that I was in the shower, and then I sat down and started crying, because, you know, life, depression, you know, it's all good. Not joking about depression, I actually haven't. Sad. But yeah, so I sat down and cried for like half an hour, and then I get up and I realize that the water is losing its heat, so I had to quickly like put my shampoo in, like let that sit, conditioner, and then by the time I hit conditioner, it was freezing cold water. So me being smart before that, I made it so then I shut it, like so then the water wasn't going away anymore, so then I could collect all the hot water. So I collected all the hot water, and then I put my conditioner in, then sat down to shave my legs, and then I got back up after like another half an hour, because that's how long it takes me to shave my legs. We're not judging that. And then yeah, I got up and like, hey, I probably have hot water again, so I turned that on. Nope, freezing cold water, so I had to rinse my hair in cold water, but cold water is apparently good for your hair. So maybe I'm just like so Gucci that I did that I did that on purpose, but also on accident. I don't know. You know, I don't know where I was going with that. I was just talking about how depressing my life is. So it's awesome. Anyways, I'm just trying to brush out all my hair, and then I'm gonna put that hair. Disappointment. So if you my thing stopped recording. Yeah, awesomeness. So basically all I did is I dried it properly with this. It's actually a bit wet still, so I'm just gonna go back in there, do this all again but quicker. Then I went upside down and rub my head. And then I just put some of this crap in there at the ends. I'm doing this quickly so that I can get caught up, because I'm also running out of time for recording. Because I can only record for 15 minutes, and it's 13 minutes right now. So I'm kind of in a rush. So I'm just putting this on my ends. There we go. And that's basically all I really do. Yeah. So, if you want to see anything else, like if you want to see this, comment down below, tell me to do a video about this. I think it would be pretty fun, and I'm actually probably going to do it without anyone saying that I should, because that's just who I am, you know, never listening to anyone else, you know. Anyways, that's it for today. Bye bye, amigos. I forgot to add in to like, subscribe, and comment. I'm just 10 out of 10. Anyways, bye bye, amigos. See you on the next video. Oh my god. This is so flipping good. You want one? You want one? Alright. Where's my sister? These are so flipping good.